Welcome to GoTax Online tutorials. Are you a miner earning megabucks in regional Australia? Well, if you are, this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'll be taking you through the common tax deductions you can claim this tax time. So, stick around. You never know what you might be missing out on. Here is our expense list and the common deductions miners can claim. If you can't claim all of these, or you can claim something else from the list, simply click the expense to add or remove it from your expense list. Double check your expenses and look out for these helpful icons throughout the tax return. If you had to buy your own protective clothing this year, like a hard hat, boots, or high-vis gear, total up the expenses and add them here. If you had to wash any of your protective clothing throughout the year, answer the questions in the laundry section and we'll work out how much you can claim. If you're a member of a union, enter in the fees you paid here. To get the maximum tax deduction for your phone, you need to keep a 1-month logbook. Total up all your work calls and personal calls, then divide your work calls by your total calls and multiply by 100 to get your work percentage. Enter how many months in the year you worked, your work percentage, and your monthly phone cost. If you spent money on tools and equipment for work and they were under $300, you can enter these in direct. If you spent over $300, you'll need to claim the tax deduction over a number of years depending on the tool. You'll need to enter in the details of the tools or equipment here. Then we'll work out how much you can claim for this year. Double check that everything looks okay and hit continue. If you work out in the sun for long hours, you can claim your sun protection here. Simply enter in how much you spent and hit continue. If you donated to tax deductible charities during the year, total up how much you donated and enter in the total amount here. You'll also need to write in the charities that you donated to. Enter in your tax agent fees here and hit continue. Lastly, if you paid for income protection insurance during the year and it wasn't paid out from your super fund, you can claim the premiums here. Enter in how much you spent and click continue. Make sure you keep your receipts and logbooks for 5 years from the date you receive your notice of assessment. Double check your expenses and you are done. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you found this insightful, let us know. Get the tax deductions you deserve at a price you can afford with GoTax Online. Visit www.gotax.com.au to start your tax return now.